DC Blue Advanced Holiday Lockout Mode feature. In order to activate, please ensure that the door is in the closed position. With the previously learned in light channel button from the transmitter, press and hold for approximately 8 seconds. Immediately thereafter, press and release the full opening BT button in order to activate. If you trigger now from the BT channel on the transmitter, a H will be displayed with 3 rapid beeps and the courtesy light will flash 3 times. In order to deactivate, same procedure, press and hold the light channel button on the transmitter, 1 long tone, press and release the full opening button, H is displayed, 1 long beep, and the door will proceed to open.